Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Piyush Agrawal. This is your host. Today we are going to see how to create a table. Before this session, in the previous lecture, we have seen how to create a database and how to make it as a current database. Today we are going to see how to create a table inside the database. So let me start with SQL. I will go to Start menu and pick SQL Server Management Studio. So let this get open. So this is a SQL tutorial series, guys, where we are going to have a knowledge on basic to advanced SQL. And I'm starting this series from past 2 days. Okay. So let me go to new query. This is my database list, guys. And I am going to, we have created this database in the previous session, demo database. So I'm going to use this database, use demo, use demo database. I will select it, execute it. So you can see it came here directly. Now I'm going to create the first table. For creating multiple tables, first table, I'm going to showcase you few of the videos so that you can understand how we are going to create the tables and maintain relationship between them. Okay. So this is a database, guys. This is a database, okay, which contains five tables, okay, which contains five tables. We call this whole representation as ERD, entity relationship diagram. Okay. I repeat, we call whole diagram as entity relationship diagram, ERD diagram. Okay. These are the five tables: customer, order, order item, product, supplier. Okay. Now I'm going to create the first table, which is customer. Okay. So let me go ahead and start creating the customer table. It contains ID integer, first name and varchar 40, last name and varchar 40, city and varchar 40, country and varchar 40, and phone and varchar 20. So let me go quickly there and I will start creating the database. Create, sorry, creating the table. Create table, customer. This is the syntax, guys. Create table, table name. Okay. First name is ID int. Int means int means integer, that will be a numeric values. Okay. I will put identity. Let's leave identity for now. You will not understand that right now. Primary key. So primary key, why I'm understanding, I'm showing you this primary key because this primary key is a combination of unique and not null. Okay. The reason behind creating a primary key, I will tell you in the next video. The next video is going to be very informative for you because I'm going to tell you the reason why we are creating a primary key. Okay. First name and varchar 40, last name and varchar 40, city and varchar 40, country and varchar 40, and phone and varchar 20. Okay. I will select it and click on execute. As soon as I will click on execute, you will get this table name under the database, demo database, and the table is customer table here. Clear? And all the columns are also available here. Where ID is a primary key. Okay. First name, last name, city, country, phone. Okay. Now this why we have created this primary key here, why we are declaring it as a primary key, what is nvarchar 40, what are the data types, by choose this data types, what is the length. This I'm going to show you in the coming videos. Stay tuned, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, okay, and press the bell button. Thank you guys, thank you, see you on the next video.